What's up, boys?
Hey,
Yeah,
hey, Nick.
we're gonna take you off stage.
That's
We'll be
cool.
back in 10.
Word.
Good morning, everybody. We'll give everybody another minute or so to hop in here. Exciting day, Clement. We're here.
It is. We made it. Sharped. I feel like a preparation for inbound. If we survive today, we're in a good shape for days to come next week.
Yeah. Hi from Hungary. We were just talking about this earlier, Clement. We do have international audience. Maybe I was talking about that with Casey on the morning show.
Yeah.
Good
Hey,
to know
Nivasha.
our expansive schedule today is effective in making sure people from all over the world can join.
I expect more Europeans will be with us now in the US morning.
Yes,
Then
yes,
all the
indeed.
more jump in.
So we will go ahead and get started because we've got value pack day today. I want to leave as much time for both introducing the value first stages of the value path and giving all our experts who are showing up today time to share knowledge, share value. Really excited for that. But first, a big thank you to Clement with Celestial. This event is supported by Celestial and Profoundly Labs. We got it done inside of a month. It's been very exciting, and yeah, appreciate you so much, Clement.
Thank you, Chris, as always. I keep repeating. Thank you for everything you're doing for the whole community. I go backstage, so the stage is yours. See you at the round table.
See you in 10. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Value First Data Summit. I'm Chris Carolyn, and we're starting an incredible journey through the 8 stages of the value path. Traditional customer journeys force people through artificial stages that are built to serve our internal processes. The value path is intended to recognize how humans actually discover and create value naturally. We're going to spend the next 8 hours understanding what people really think, feel, and do at each stage, and how we can use data, collect data, maintain data, manage data to serve them and not control them, not always extract value. And that starts with our first stage here, which is the audience stage. The audience stage captures people in their earliest moments of possibility. They're living their lives, doing their jobs, and occasionally encountering ideas that spark genuine curiosity. This isn't active seeking. They're casually scrolling LinkedIn, attending industry events for professional development, or hearing colleagues mention interesting approaches. There's no pressure, there's no commitment required, just gentle exploration that could become the foundation for all future relationship development. And if you think about your own experience, how many breakthrough ideas have come to you when you weren't actively looking for solutions? That's what we call the audience stage. Now, let's get real about what they're actually doing in this stage. What's in their head? They're thinking, "This seems interesting, but I'm not sure how it applies to my situation right now." They're not connecting it to immediate problems. They're building a general understanding. What are they feeling? We want them to feel psychologically safe to explore because there are no consequences. No one's trying to qualify them or push them toward decisions. They appreciate genuine insights that enhance their understanding without strings attached. What are they doing? They're browsing content during downtime, between meetings, during commutes, and on weekends. They bookmark interesting resources for later without specific plans. When something truly valuable appears, they share it naturally with colleagues. Now, here's where most organizations screw this up. You can't track what you can't see. These are anonymous visitors, no contact information, no demographic data, no traditional lead scoring. You have to infer interest from behavior patterns alone. The temptation is to throw up barriers. Download our white paper as an example. But the moment you require information, you violated the psychological safety that makes this stage work. You've turned gentle curiosity into a transaction. The real challenge is learning about them while respecting their privacy. Can you recognize genuine interest without demanding identification? Now, let me ask you, got a quick poll here. At the audience stage, what matters most for data collection? I'll give you guys a minute to answer that. And while you answer that, all the stuff that we go over today will be available in your personal Value First portal. Very excited to get that up and running and available. We know 8 hours is a long time, and we don't expect anybody to sit online all day without any breaks or without any previous commitments. So just know that everything's on demand after the event and will be available in your Value First portal. And an interesting split here of whether you prioritize signals or privacy. We're going to get into that. I think that's going to be an exciting part of our first conversation today. So whether you picked signals as important and mattering most, or privacy, which leads to, in theory, a psychological safety. Our expert panel is about to deep dive into this exact challenge.